Hello beautiful people, today we are going to be doing a very simple hairstyle. It's our go-to hairstyle, I mean the Afro puff hairstyle. This is a very popular hairstyle, so let's go straight to today's video. Welcome on board and make sure you get a seat because you're going to enjoy this video. Alright, first thing first, I actually threaded my hair using the African method a day before now because I washed my hair and I didn't want to struggle with stretching or straightening the hair, so I used the African threading method to straighten my hair. Okay, this is what I'm revealing right now, and then what this will do is that it will make your hair get softer, not just softer but even straighten your hair, so you don't have to worry about straightening your hair if you use this method after washing your hair. Just make sure that your hair is a bit damp. Don't do it on a dry hair. Make sure it's well moisturized, then thread your hair. It mustn't be smooth, it's just something that you just need to make your hair straighten, that's all. So the next thing I did was to oil the hair, and then right now I'm just combing it. One thing you want to do to achieve a flawless Afro puff is to make sure that you brush your hair very well, you comb out your hair very well. Okay, it depends on how you want the outcome of the Afro puff to be done. Next thing, I'm going to get a rope. I'm using a Brazilian wool, 2 strands of Brazilian wool, but if you have a shoelace, then you can make use of a shoelace. I do not have a shoelace. The shoelace I have is not slim, it's quite big, and I don't want to use a big one, so it's best to use a tiny rope. Okay, although there are platforms where you can buy your normal rope that is elastic. Okay, right now you just take it from your ear and then you are good to go. Just go as far as you want. I wanted mine this way. If I wanted mine fuller, I wouldn't have extended it to this point. Okay, so there you have it, our Afro puff. I'm just going to leave you to enjoy this video where I'll be adding edge control and combing the tips of my hair to achieve what I have in mind. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to finish this video and kindly do me a favor. If this is your first time of watching my video, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure to like my video, comment and share this video to as many Afro ladies as you can. Also tell me in the comment section if this is also your go-to hairstyle just like me. This is a hairstyle that I can never get tired of. This is a hairstyle that anytime I wake up, whether my hair is wet or dry, I can always do this. So this hairstyle is the simplest hairstyle for every natural girl. Alright, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch till the end and have a lovely day. Bye.